I already started a little bit on here removing these old ball joints. I got this one removed. This is the old one. So this is why you want to change out your lower ball joints. You can see how easily that just moves along. So anyways, I bought this lower ball joint adapter tool for Hondas. I didn't realize that you're supposed to actually buy the tool as well, which is like the big C-clamp. So I'm not going to fork out the money for that, so hopefully I can just get by with a regular C-clamp. But for removing these things, the clamping actually didn't do anything for me. I was able to get a lot of pressure on it, but the thing that did it in the end was the BFH. So that thing just knocked it right out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys on this ball joint the technique for hammering these things out. So let me just go ahead and put you guys on the stand here. Alright, let's give this a shot. So first you got to take off this rubber boot. It just pops off. And then this is the piece that fits over this. Perfect fit. And I kind of got it locked in this hole here, so see if it comes out. So we're starting to get movement over here. You probably can't see it, but it is coming out. There we go. Got it out without smashing my dustpan up here once, so pretty good. But these are probably OEM ball joints. This one's got a little more life in it. So this one might have been replaced at some point because there is some damage here. Maybe someone was messing with it. But this one is a little stiffer than this one. So that was easy enough. I'm going to have to track down my new ball joints. Hopefully I can get them pressed in. But before I even do that, these have to get refurbished. And I'll just be scraping off all this scale. Maybe needle it a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and get that done right now. Alright, if you needed any more proof of the effectiveness of this needle tool, this is it right here. This one on the right is about 15 minutes of using that descaling tool. And it took that thing right down. It used to look like this one on the left. So very cool, just wanted to point that out. I'm going to go get this one knocked out and we'll be that much closer. Okay, so these are all prepped and ready to paint, so I thought I'd give you guys one last look here. So this is a pretty big deal because this is pretty much the last of the nasty, gross 20-year-old parts that I have to deal with. There might be a couple things I find here and there, but as far as like big items, that is pretty much it, which I am very happy for. After this is done, we get to unwrap this beautiful beast here and just start bolting on parts, which I really like doing. So anyways guys, I'm going to go ahead and get these painted right now. Okay, so I got these spindles done and I'm getting ready to install the lower ball joints. I already went ahead and cleaned up this surface area in there. So normally I would always say nothing but OEM lower ball joints. This is a super critical part in these Hondas. If it fails, your car goes ka-chow and you're on the side of the road. That being said, I did end up going with an aftermarket ball joint. Why would I do that, you ask? Well, I found this brand called TTX. They're supposedly a heavy duty ball joint. They appear to be pretty good quality, and this is how they're supposed to be. I can't even move this stud by hand, and this is what it came with. These are actually designed slightly different. They have a snap ring, which is going to help keep that thing in place, which is a pretty cool design change. And this is a new, these cotter pins look different. Maybe that's how they all are now. But anyways, I got this one kind of loaded in here. So I don't know if this is how this is supposed to work, but I'm just going to put this adapter in here, and then this over the top. This will go over here, and I'm just going to use my clamp here and press it in. So hopefully that works, but I'm gonna go ahead and get set up for that right now. Alright, check it out. That actually went way easier than I thought it was going to be. So, pretty cool. You can see the groove right here. That's where that snap ring is going to go. Just like that. Okay, my snap ring pliers came in from Amazon, $13 delivered overnight, which is pretty crazy. I tried every which way to do it without these, but I just couldn't get it, so let's get this on finally.